Hey everyone, this is Matt, founder of Nexora Mining, and today in this video I will show you why Nexora is probably your best choice of investment in the whole crypto space. So, first of all, what is Nexora Mining? So Nexora Mining is a next generation cloud mining platform that lets everyday users buy terahashes of real physical Bitcoin ASICs. We host, power, maintain the machines. Users simply earn Bitcoin in proportion to the terahash they own. We'll go through the website, we'll go through the basic and most important features, and I'll explain to you why this is the most transparent and probably your best choice in the whole crypto space. So here we have the main website. It's nexoramining.com. Earn Bitcoin every day, no hardware, made easy. So here are live statistics on how much Bitcoin we're making, on our current hash power, and our total amount paid. Keep in mind the project just launched 23 days ago, so it's pretty new, but we still feel like it should be recognized in the crypto space since it's probably the most transparent one and the one with no promises. So all the APRs shown, they're not an APR where we say, okay, we promise you you will earn this. It's based on what the miners are generating in real time. So no promises, you get what we're making. It's as simple and straightforward as that. So, how it works. In the main application, you choose how much terahash you want to buy. Terahash is basically mining power. We handle the mining. So what do we handle? We handle the machines, we handle the cooling systems, we handle the electricity payments, we handle everything. You just buy the terahashes and get your rewards in BTC in real time. Why choose Nexora? Well, we have daily payouts, we have transparency, it's user friendly, and there are no hidden fees. So all the fees are displayed on the website, and it depends on the tier you have as a user. I will show you in a bit. Here are more statistics, and here is our roadmap or plan moving forward, where we have the platform launch, which already happened. We have an expansion phase, where we intend to sell as much terahash as humanly possible, and to incorporate lending features using your terahashes as collateral. And for the end of the year, we plan on launching our mobile experience app. So basically to be able to monitorize all your mining. Let's get into the main application and see you then. So I'll click here. You will have a new account. So you would click on register, and we will register with just a hello gmail.com. We choose a password and a referral code. This is optional. If you have a referral, you can type it here. We click on the CAPTCHA and create an account. This will automatically load and you will be able to log in. I missed an L. Okay. So after you're logged, this is the main dashboard. I will go through everything and you will understand exactly why this is the best project out there in the whole crypto space. So this is the main dashboard. It shows a panel where you can choose how much terahash you want to buy. It's capped at the current stock we have. We don't sell unlimited amount of terahashes. We only sell what is producing. Then we have this is a calculator where you can change the BTC price and see what your estimated uh, annual per year return would be, your APR. So this would be your APR with Bitcoin at $118,000, for example. Here at the bottom, we have some of the most frequently asked questions, but we still have a section here in the profile with the FAQ. And here you can see every FAQ. If you have any doubts, here are the most basic questions. Then here on the dashboard, there's a last global payment. So what is this? This is what miners are generating. So miners are connected to the VIA BTC mining pool, and that pool gives us data on how much the miners are generating hourly. We receive this data, in this case it was 24 minutes ago, which was this amount. We discount the electricity cost we consumed in that period, And after that, we have the net amount we generated. After the net amount, we distribute it between the users according to how much terahash they own. That's basically it. There's no fake APRs, there's no promises, there's nothing like that. It's pure hash power generating Bitcoin, and you make what is being made. So, if you're a new user, you will get this text with the deposit now feature, right? Then we have the mining operation. So here, once you buy terahashes, they will appear here, and your APR will update hourly, same as this. Why is that? Because we make exact calculations on your APR. So this is not the same all the time. It's similar, but not the same. So sometimes it can be 50% APR, sometimes it can be 52, sometimes it can be 57, sometimes it can be 47. So it averages. That's why we need the data of your terahashes before showing your APR. Then we have the wallet section. Here you can deposit. If we click deposit, here's the wallet. Please make sure to do it on the BEP20, Binance Smart Chain, USDT, and you can deposit up to, well, it's up to $1 million basically. Here's the withdrawal. You just, same, Binance Smart Chain network. You click on BTC or USDT. You put your wallet. Then we have the exchange feature, which has a 2% fee. You can exchange between USDT, BTC to USDT or BTC. Here you can change it, and it changes automatically. And then the most important, or one of the most important parts, the transparency tab. So here you can see what I told you earlier. Here you can see the account, data sourced directly from via BTC API. Here's the account, NXMI, stands for Nexora Mining. And here are the current workers we have available right now. Think of workers as miners. So they're generating a total of 276 terahashes in the last 24 hours. So this is the key feature of the website because all the earnings are transparent. All the terahashes being sold are backed by real machines. That's it for the transparency tab. Then we have the tiers tab. What are tiers? So tiers are basically a system where the more terahashes you have, the better rank you get. So you have bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and VIP. For bronze, if you have less than 500 terahashes, you'll be ranked bronze. What does this mean? This means that you have a 15% purchase fee, a 20% production commission, and a 70% buyback rate. I'll explain you this. So, what is the purchase fee? So, our terahashes are backed by real physical miners. Those miners have a cost. Okay, so let's say a miner of 100 terahashes costs us $100. Then we would have a cost of $1 per terahash. What is your purchase fee in bronze? 15%. That would mean that you will pay 15% above our costs for the terahash you purchases. So if our cost is $1 per terahash, you would be paying $1.15 per terahash. This is purchase fee. Production commission is basically a commission based on what the miner produces. So let's say a miner in a 1 hour time frame, let's do the following. Let's say with the terahash you have, the miners generates $10. Okay. So with that, we have the gross amount, which is $10. Then we discount the electricity for the period, as I told you here, we discount the electricity for the period, and we have the net amount. Then we discount the 20% commission, and that's what you receive. Okay? All of these APRs are calculated based on already discounting these fees. Okay? So this is approximately what you will be getting. Keep in mind, these keep changing, okay? 2 hours ago, this was 55%. Now it's 58 because, well, we can see Bitcoin at 116K almost. That's the tier system. The more terahash you have, the lower fees you get. Therefore, the higher APR you get. There's also an important feature called the buyback rate. What is this? Okay, so at the moment, we have a platform where you can buy mining power. With that mining power, you earn based on what physical real miners are generating in real time. But what if you want to stop mining? What if you want to sell your terahashes? Who do you sell them to? Well, we as a company buy them from you. There's a buyback rate. First of all, there's a cooldown of 30 days. So if you buy, let's say 10 terahashes, you have to wait 10 days to be able to sell them. Once those 30 days, once those 30 days have passed, you are eligible to sell those terahashes back to us. What's the price we pay for them? Well, for the bronze tier, it's 70% of what you paid. For silver, 71, and well, on each tier it keeps going up. What is my recommendation? Well, don't sell it. Bitcoin is going up. With BTC at these prices, this will probably go up to 64% approximately. So you're earning a 64% safe income, totally transparent, with hourly payments in BTC. There's nothing like that. Well, I hope you like the project. I hope I convinced you. I hope you give it a chance. Look, I'm not telling you to invest $3,000 in this. In fact, the terahash we have available right now are only for 3.3K. So even if you wanted to invest more, you can't right now. Keep in mind, this keeps restocking. We keep on plugging in machines, but we only sell terahashes that are already producing. Okay, so this is total transparency. You get your payments in real time in Bitcoin. Your APR is in Bitcoin, and if you want out, you can. You can sell us your terahashes, and we will buy them at a discounted price. Join our community. All the links are in the nexoramining.com website. At the bottom of the website, you can find our X account. You can find our Discord community and be part of it. Be part of the journey. Be part of the most transparent project out there. Don't miss out.